Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the rise of AI-assisted writing and how it's affecting the publishing industry. So, according to a recent article by Reuters, people are already attempting to profit from generative AI programs like ChatGPT by using them to churn out book manuscripts that they then fine-tune and sell via Amazon's self-publishing ebook platform. In fact, Amazon currently has at least 200 titles openly listing ChatGPT as an author or co-author. Some of these titles include space-inspired poetry, children's novels about penny-pinching forest animals, and how-to tutorials on using ChatGPT to supposedly improve one's dating life. One of the AI-assisted authors even said, "I could see people making a whole career out of this." But while AI-assisted titles are proliferating in literary markets like Amazon's Kindle store, other outlets are being forced to halt all submissions in order to develop new strategies. In a recent blog post, Neil Clark, publisher and editor-in-chief of popular science fiction website Clarkesworld, announced the site would be pausing its unsolicited submissions portal indefinitely due to an untenable influx in AI-assisted spam stories. Clark revealed in their post that spam entries resulting in bans from future submissions rose precipitously since the public debut of ChatGPT. Within the first 20 days of February, editors flagged over 500 story submissions for plagiarism. Before ChatGPT, the magazine typically caught less than 30 plagiarized stories per month. While there are a number of tools that can help detect plagiarized material, the time and costs make them difficult to utilize for publications like Clarkesworld operating on small budgets. This situation is already becoming problematic, and if it's not addressed soon, it could lead to further complications for the publishing industry as a whole. So, what do you guys think about AI-assisted writing? Is it a game changer or a threat to artistic integrity? Let me know in the comments below.